Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a homemade pumpkin pie. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, 1 1/2 cups of evaporated milk, 2 large eggs, and a blend of warm spices like cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg. Don't forget a pre-made 9-inch pie crust. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's create that delicious filling. In a large bowl, whisk together the pumpkin puree, 2 large eggs, and 1 1/2 cups of evaporated milk until well combined. Next, stir in 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Mix until everything is perfectly smooth. It's time to bake our pie. Carefully pour the smooth pumpkin filling into your unbaked 9-inch pie crust. Place the pie on a baking sheet and bake in your preheated 425 degree Fahrenheit oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 40 to 50 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a knife near the center of the pie. If it comes out clean, your pie is ready. Carefully remove the pie from the oven and let it cool completely on a wire rack for at least 2 hours. This allows the filling to set properly. Once cooled, slice and serve your homemade pumpkin pie, perhaps with a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.